everyone! To make my photography journey more interesting, I learned how to do composite image. Would you like to know how? Let me show you in action how to combine two images into a composite. Firstly, I select two images from Lightroom, right-click on one of them, see the pull-down menu, go to the middle, to Edit In, move the cursor to the right, continue on Edit in Adobe Photoshop. Click. Doing this will open these two images in Photoshop. When in Photoshop, I want to show the two images side by side together. Go to the top menu, select Window, pick Arrange, and move the cursor to the right, pull down menu. You see two up horizontal or two up vertical. Just pick the one you want. When these two images are side by side, I have to decide which one is the main image and the other one just a supporting one. And I will use the move key. The move key is on top of the menu bar on the left. So I will click here and move the cursor on the image and use the mouse key, left click the button and drag the image into the main one. Sometimes you have to do it again, and that's it. See, now the supporting image is on top of the other one, and you can close the supporting image now if you no longer need it. All you need to do, just go to the top title bar and click here, and if you don't need it at all, just close it. If you want to keep it, you can click yes for open file, save it somewhere, but for this exercise I pick no. So that supporting image is gone. Now you see just this main image and the other photo on top. You will now see the image is placed on top of the existing image as the new layer 1 in the layer panel. With the move key still selected, now you can drag the image to the position that you want to appear. To make the top layer transparent, I just go to the layer panel, pick opacity. Now it's at 100%. I lower this to about 30-40%. See? It becomes transparent now. Doing this will let me paste the image where I like to sit. If I want to make the image smaller or larger, I can use the transform command to resize the layer. But before I do that, I go up to the top option bar to make sure that link icon is on in order to scale this proportionally. After it's done, and go back to the top option bar to click the tick mark. That's it. Once I have finished with the position and opacity of the layer, I now can add a mask to layer 1. Press the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. While on the Layer Mask thumbnail, I need to invert the mask to black by pressing Ctrl I on the keyboard. This will hide the layer until I use a brush to reveal the layer. I will now use the brush tool to paint on the mask to reveal the image. Just need to make sure the foreground color is set to white in the toolbar on the left. Pick the brush tool button, and before I start painting, I go up to the top menu bar, find opacity, reduce the opacity percentage to about 50%, and then come back to the image. Remember, the more I paint on the image, the more it will reveal from the layer through the mask. You see? If I want to change the size of the brush, I just go up to the top menu bar, click here, and if I move up the number, then the brush size will be bigger, or go the other way. See, it will be smaller. I can set the size of the brush that is appropriate to the area I'm working on. So now I can keep painting, keep brushing the image to make it clear. To make it quicker, I can go up to the top menu bar, find opacity, turn up the percentage, and then back on the image. See, that will be much quicker. Once I have revealed the image underneath and is satisfied with the image appearance, I can flatten the image by pressing the right mouse button and selecting Flatten Image command. And after it is flattened, save and close the file. Thank you for watching. Please like us and subscribe. See you next time.